people to join. I don't know what happened today. So sorry, extreme. I felt very the I would say I got the biggest problem today in my session. It means I could not sort it out after trying for a long time. I failed to do it. I don't know. Anyway, we'll begin, ma'am. No problem. We have a very less number of students, but we can carry on for next 40 minutes, whatever we have. We have Banalisha, Nimaim, Professor is there, Santa ma'am, Swapna Nayak, Udit Kumar. Okay.
Okay. So since you want me
Yeah.
to start, and there are only, I think, 8 to 9 participants. So do you think there will be more participants, or we can continue with this?
Ma'am, they would be stepping in slowly, steadily, because everybody encounters the technical issues, and I wish and pray they will resolve and get in. But let's start off because we have lack of times. Again, we'll go out of time. So could you please continue? And I beg you a lot of apology for all kind of chaotic situation.
Okay, it's okay. I continue with my session. I would like to dedicate this session to my motherland, and I would like to start the session with a small rendition of a sloka. Yes. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. And finally, since I'm from Orissa, Vande Utkala Janani, Vande Utkala Janani, Vande Utkala Janani. चारु भासमय चारु हासमय चारु भासमय चारु भासमय जननी 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 जननी. So today our session is on hassle-free holidays, and I tried to make myself a bit, relaxed because of this tension going on. So when I start talking about a hassle-free holiday, so this word hassle, can any one of you just write down one word? What do you mean by hassle-free? You could use your statement, message boxes to write down your opinions, or just one or two words related to hassle-free holidays. What comes to your mind? The words like relaxed, stress-free, any other words that come to your mind. I just want you to interact with me through the message box, chat box. Trouble-free vacation, right? Yes. Anything else? I want the students to participate. Please put in your contributions. What you mean by hassle-free vacation? In fact, I am dying for such a vacation because I feel confined within my home for such a long period of time, right? Okay, so you mean to say Shanta has written, yes, I didn't get the word, Shanta, is it?
I meant to say chillaxing, chill and relaxing together, both meant to word.
And relaxing, yes, we all want for a chill and relaxing holiday right now. Yes, how many of you would really love to go for a vacation? I'm really dying right now. I'm really dying. I'm stuck up somewhere due to this pandemic, due to this COVID. So if I ask you, if you are really looking for a hassle-free vacation, which place is most ideal for you? Can you again use the chat box to write down? Again, I would like you to interact. Yes, one place or any geographical location you are really looking for to visit that place. Any? Okay, so Devamali, Koraput, that's an excellent place. I've been to the place. The scenic beauty is awesome. Any other place? Yes, relaxed and pleased vacation. I'm asking for a geographical location. Maybe the hills or maybe the fountains. Anything that really pleases you. Anything. Okay. Yes. Relaxed and pleased. Somebody has written. Udit Kumar has written relaxed and pleased. Anything else? Yes, I want you to interact right from the beginning. Okay, Saptadhara River, Malkangiri. Okay, that's again excellent. I have been to the place. It's a very serene place. Yes, Malkangiri is again a very nice place. Okay, so before I start my session, Koraput, Odisha particularly, yes, Koraput is my place of birth, Bouncer Devi Mandir and all, so many nice places we have there. I would like to present my session. So let's see. My choice is the seaside. I would love to be in front of the seas. I love the sound. I love the waves. I love the energy of the sea. How many of you agree to this? Do you love the sea? Would you like to? I'm sorry, I'm not able to share my screen. I don't know why. Host disabled participant screen sharing. Can you just help me to share the screen? I'm getting the message host disabled participant screen sharing. Can you allow me to share the screen?
Yeah, you have been made right now, so you can share right now, no problem in that. No problem, you can do that, ma'am. I have done it.
You have done it? Okay. All right. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely wonderful.
Okay. So this is the place I would love to fly now. I just want to run away from this monotonous routine, from this online classes, from this confinement. I just want to run. How many of you agree? How many of you are willing to go? Just raise your hands. I can see you at least. Are you willing to come with me to this place, to this particular place? How many of you love the seas? Yes? Okay. So I have only one hand going up. Okay. Nimai boy also, he loves. Okay. That's excellent. You love the sea. Okay. So can you give me 2 words again that really attracts you, propels you to really go and relax and have a hassle-free holiday in this sort of, environment? Can you give me 2 words that really helps you to go there? Come on, please. 2 words I would ask you. You can just unmute and say. You can just unmute and tell me. No problem. Yes, Udit Kumar. 2 words which really instills you to visit this place. 2 words. Udit, Samir, yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, trip. Yeah.
It's a dream. Okay. It's because of your dream. Okay. You have a dream. Can you just, Nimai, can you tell me what propels you, what forces you, what's the driving force to really come to this place? Okay, you are fond of environment. Okay, that's really exciting. I'm not able to see the names, only 2 hands up. And what about the others? Those of you who really want to visit the sea or river, whatever it is, seaside is my favorite place. Could you just tell me? It's the waves, the sound of the waves that really propels me, that really instills hope in me, that really makes me mad and crazy to go and have a look at the sea. So today when we are discussing, let's see, can you name 1 or 2 places in Chhattisgarh or in Orissa? Like this, you have so many places, Gopalpur and all. Can you name 1 or 2 places? Again, unmute.
Gopalpur,
Yes, ma'am.
Puri.
Yes, ma'am. Gopal.
Yes.
Gopalpur.
Gopalpur,
Okay.
Puri. Yeah. Yes.
Any other place? Puri.
Yeah, Basta in Baleshwar district.
Okay. That's excellent. Have you visited?
Paradip. Yeah, Paradip in Jagatsinghpur district.
Paradip. Yes, Paradip is another place.
Yeah.
Now, when we talk about holidays, I can have so many terminologies for holiday. It could be a travel. Yes, when I say holidays, it could be a travel. It could be a trip. It could be a journey. It could be a tour. Yes. So though the names are different, yes, they have slight difference in their connotations. When I talk about a travel, any idea what is the difference between a travel and a journey? Any idea, any one of you? You can unmute and it's an interactive session. I want your participation. I'm not just going to talk and do all the talkings over here.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am. My understanding,
Yeah,
travel is effortless and full of fun. Journey might be full of, risk, difficulties, and so many factors. This is my understanding.
Okay. And what about a trip? Yes, please
Yeah.
continue. Samir, if you want, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am.
If there are any other
Yeah,
participants who would like to make your opinions, please come up. Right.
Yes, ma'am. As far as my knowledge is concerned, trip it means a long trip means when we are going out for planning, right? And travel, it means a short travel where we can go, as Mr. Pravasar told, that effortlessly. But journey, it means the group of people where they are planningly going, together and to any destination. And what the tour is saying here, it means in official, journey. So if you are going outside officially, then that will be called a tour. So this is my understanding.
Okay. So when I say tour, when I say the word tour, tour could be a long trip. It could be a tour to, say, Europe tour. Yes, it could be a tour to America. So tour is a bit long and it's very planned. Maybe you're visiting many places. Yes. Can you get me?
Yeah.
Can you get me, all of you? Okay. And
Yes,
when I say a journey might be, okay, it can be arduous journey, very, very adventurous journey. It could be some sort of, I mean, you're going on a hike, yes, or you're going, say, on a pleasure trip. Journey can be anything. Okay. So it could be a journey when you're going to Ladakh or something like that. Maybe a journey using your motorbike. Yes, you can use your motorbike and you can see the scenic beauty and you can go, you can travel. Okay. So journey could be not only through, I mean, aeroplane or train or something like that. You have your own ways of selecting your vehicles. You can really make your journey quite exciting, quite relaxing. And if you want, you can make it strenuous also when you are going on your own car or you're using your own motorbikes. So it depends on you. Okay. So trip could be a short trip, maybe a 2 or 3 days, a trip, say, usually on a weekend, a trip to, say, Mandarmani, a trip to, say, it could be Puri or Digha. It could be a very short duration. All right. Next one. So when we go for a trip, we certainly need to plan it out to make it hassle-free, or else you land up with so many problems. So let's see what's the next slide. So we have various types of holiday trips. Can any one of you read the slide? Any one of you? Can you read out the slide? Yes. Read this
Package.
first column. Yes.
Yeah,
Package.
package, adventure, activity, beach, cultural, break, honeymoon.
Okay. So how many of you already had the honeymoon trip? Raise your hand. Already had the honeymoon trip.
You please ask
Not
to
yet,
Manoj,
not yet.
Manoj Sinha.
Yes. Okay.
Manoj Sinha.
Samir, Mr. Samir, he had already his honeymoon trip. I can see it.
I'm
And
sorry.
yes, others might be waiting for this trip.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Anybody who really
Yes.
yes.
I'm a mute. I'm so sorry to tell I'm a mute witness.
Yeah, okay. You will be witnessing wait for some time.
Wish
Anybody
you all
who
the best.
Okay. Anybody who made a package trip, packages usually with some company, tourism company, and they tell you, well, this is our package. You have to pay this much. We will be arranging for the hotels, for the cars. We will do all the bookings. If you are
Yes.
going outside abroad, they will be doing, say, visas and migration, everything. They'll be doing it for you. So anybody who has been on a package trip, raise your
Yes,
hands.
I'm Pravas Khosla. I have, ma'am.
Okay. So was that exciting? Which place
Yes.
was it?
I was in Ireland,
Oh,
in
that's excellent. Ireland. Okay.
in the Dublin capital, Ireland, Europe.
Okay. I remember I had a pen friend. We used to write pen pals letters from Ireland. His name was Ben. Okay. So I remember him. Suddenly I could reconnect again. So package is usually customized holidays. You have lot of things you don't have to do anything. Just pack your suitcase, take your tickets, take your bag, take your family, and just board the train or plane or whatever it is. It's completely relaxed. Next is the adventure. Okay. So what do you mean by the adventure trip? Can you tell me what is this adventure? Any idea?
Where
I've
we
given you-
get
yes.
involved in adventure kind of activity, trekking, mountaineering,
Right.
sea diving,
Okay. Yes.
forest exploration, so kind of risk-taking adventurous sports.
Absolutely. I love that. It's a challenge. Adventure is some sort of challenge you're going to take up. Okay. So any of the participants who has ever taken the adventure trip, please raise your hand and say 1 or 2 sentences. Any of the participants? Yes, Nimai, come on. Nimai? Yes. Okay. Okay. Right, right. I understand. So myself, really, if you ask me, I have been for hiking, but I have never, and safari. Okay, some sort of trekking you can say, but it was not very, hectic. It was a very small one. I tried out trekking in my life, and safari I have done quite a many. Okay, in Gorumara forest, and I have been to other forests in Madhya Pradesh, Kanha forest. So I have done a bit of adventure that way with the help of binoculars, looking at the animals, tracing them, and everywhere. Okay. So if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
ask you,
One thing I can think for us, adventure is everyday life. When I was a small child, I used to take the cows, buffaloes to the jungle and
okay,
get back in there. So it's every day we are into adventure. We go to mountain, bring the firewoods, we bring the mangoes, we go into the
okay,
jungle to bring the plums and we see the tiger. So every day is adventurous life for we Koraputia who are living in the jungles.
oh, that's excellent. I'm not in a mood to teach now. I really want to go to the jungles. Okay. I want to see the forest fires. I want that madol sound, I remember Adivasis dancing with the sound, and they were lighting fires, bonfires. So I'm into that mood right now. Okay, so activity. When I say what kind of activity you really would love to involve during holidays, in schools we have like summer camps where we take children, we have them involved in campings, climbings, rock climbings, skiing expeditions. So some kind of holidays could be activity based. Any one of you who have had a camping experience? Any one of you? Any camping experience? You go there, you have a tent put on over there. There is a tent, and you light fire. You're in the jungle, and you cook yourself, or maybe you pluck flowers. Sorry, not flowers. You pluck some eatables, maybe from the trees, or you manage with some very meager food, say Maggie or some pastry, something like that. Any such sort of experience?
I
Camp
have,
life?
Yes,
I have.
ma'am.
Okay. That's again excellent. You have an experience of camp life. So anybody who has rock climbing experience, that's dangerous. It's very
Yes,
risky.
ma'am.
Yes.
Have you? Did you go for rock climbing?
Yes,
I have
once I
gone.
had a chance to do that, ma'am.
Okay. So where
But
is
with
the
the support
place?
of experts.
Can you name the place you went for rock climbing?
Ma'am, I was in Bangalore at that time. A group of friends had gone for a picnic, where we had this trekking, rock climbing, mountaineering, all sorts of activities we had there.
Okay. That's excellent. So you already have this experience. You must be know the vibrations. You must be knowing the energy it has, But I tried, and I'll tell you, I'll not try to escape or tell you I'll tell you the right thing. I really tried it out, but I was never successful. I went to Lonavala, where we had some rock climbing expeditions where the children were doing it so well, but I just ran away in fear, in fright. Yes, though there were trainers, though there were a lot of support. Yeah, it was a access program. Rock climbing expedition session. I could never dare to take the risk like you. I'm so sorry about myself. Now I have a lot of pity for me. Okay, so when I talk of beach, like I was saying, I would love to go to the beach. Beach is usually very relaxing. You can take your aged parents, those who are infirm, those who are challenged. You can really take them and have a relaxing holiday. You don't have to do anything. Just sit and observe. Just sit and listen to the sound. Just see the waves, the crests and troughs of the waves. That's really very, very thrilling. It really fills you with a lot of buoyancy, a lot of energy, and it really makes you completely transformed. Have you seen a beach on a moonlit night? Any one of you? Have you seen and felt the beach on a moonlit night? It's awesome. Have you seen it? Any one of you? Again, I want your come on, unmute and say me. Unmute and tell me. Anyone? A beach? Yes.
No, ma'am, I have not seen, but I wish I would see soon.
Okay. Just take a trip on a full moon night. Just have a look at the beach. Yes, it looks awesome, especially the sound waves. I just love it. Okay. Then we have a cultural kind of holiday or a trip where you really make a tour to the site. You have a city tour, you go to various places, maybe historical places, heritage buildings. You really take notes. You may be using it for your projects, or you may be making a blog, or you may be putting it on the Facebook. So it's a cultural sort of thing where you gather some data, some information. Maybe you might be having some information from the Google, and now you try to just make you try to compare whether the data which I have it from the Google is exactly the same. So this is some sort of cultural expedition. So I remember I have taken so many cultural holidays where I was really making so many observations, very remarkable observations. Okay. Okay. Next is a break. Right now I'm looking not for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 6th one. That is a break. So what is a break? Break is a very short holiday of very much, you want to be very much away from the monotonous, from the drab kind of routine, and you want to just rejuvenate. You want to immerse yourself into a lot of fun, into a lot of, stress-free thing where you can really energize yourself. So I want that kind of break. And Shanta ma'am knows, if she is here, that we are really literally planning to have a break, because we have so many sessions, online sessions with Bangladesh. We have sessions with Afghanistan. We have sessions with Andhra Pradesh, that is tomorrow, with DPS Bhimavaran School. So since we have so many engagements, we really look for a break, and that too, a very, very invigorating break. Okay, I move on to the next slide. So since you all have decided what kind of package or adventure or activity you would like to take up, next comes hassle-free. So now the next part is a very important part. You really need to arrange a holiday trip with the following things. Without this, it won't be a hassle-free holiday. The first thing is to book a flight. How many of you know how to book a flight online or book tickets online? Now it's the online platform we are emphasizing on. Raise your hand. How many of you? Asuchi
Yes,
ki
I
booking
do.
asuchi ki online kariba pai asuchi. I'm speaking in Oriya. Come on. Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Asuchi
ma'am.
na asuni. Kon. Tike kahile hobo na. Okay. Only Samir. Only Samir. What about the others? Okay. Two. Yeah, Chitra has also raised her hand. She says she has an experience of online ticket booking. From which side, Chitra? Which side? Can you just unmute and tell me? Great Eastern Railway tickets, or which side have you booked tickets?
Railway ticket, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Railway tickets. Any particular site you go to for booking? No.
Yeah, ma'am. Odisha to UP, ma'am. Odisha to Varanasi.
Okay.
Odisha to Chennai.
Okay, that's great. Okay, then we go for, you can see, we really go for hotel rooms and accommodation, right? We have our hotel rooms and accommodation. This again, you can get it either through a travel agency, or right now you have so many websites now online. You can really go for Treebook or something like that. So many websites are there where you can really make your own choices. You can have a glimpse of the hotels, the kind of accommodation they provide, the food, the lodging, then whether they have car parking areas, or whether they have other facilities like taking you around the city. So everything is possible. So now ensure booking a flight or booking a ticket, and then getting your rooms ready, then which all places you will be seeing, sightseeing. That is very, very important. You really need to know the places you would love to visit. You should chalk out, have a very clear-cut map with day 1, day 2, day 3 written, or else you could be wayward. Yeah, people could just make you fools, taking you around the same place. So you should have a direct, road map, or some sort of written, that is on day 1, what you're going to do, day 2. Next, like I think Samir said, or somebody else said, he has been to Ireland. He said that, yeah, probably he required, yes, Samir said you have been to Ireland, right? Yes,
No, no, it is Prabhas sir.
Prabhas sir said.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
had gone. Yeah.
Yes, okay. So you were really hunting literally how to get your visa. That is again a very tedious process until and unless you do it yourself. Or if you're doing it through a travel agent or some office people are doing it. Okay, so it becomes, I mean, very, very easy. It is no longer that hectic, right? I understand. So was your travel visa very hectic one?
Ma'am, I got a visa on behalf of the company I was working for Oracle. So they
That's
got it.
excellent.
It was
That
not
you can
hectic at all
manage.
for me.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is something very easy process. Okay, next, if you are going on a trip to foreign country, say you are planning to go to Singapore, you are planning to go to Malaysia, you really have to keep the currency ready. Currency matters. You cannot go with tonka in your hand. Yes,
Exactly.
Indian tonka won't help you, right? You really need to exchange the money beforehand. You need to know what is the exchange value and all. That is something pertaining to your trip to make it hassle free, or else you may land up in difficulty. Okay, so kete tonka nei jaithile apno Ireland re kete
Ma'am,
tonka thila?
ସେତେବେଳେ ବୋଧେ 70 rupees କୁ ଗୋଟେ euro ହଉଥିଲା. So around because I was a Mastercard holder of American Express. I have, so on behalf of the company, they have given a card. So I purchased some, let it be 200 euro in hand. And then I was using my charge card because I was an employee for Oracle company.
Okay, that's excellent. Okay, now how to arrange everything? As I said, if you are really arranging everything on your own, you don't need to worry if you're experienced. But if you're not experienced, I would ask you to get hold of a good, reliable, trustworthy, and experienced travel agent, or else you could land up in difficulty. Do you agree to this? Right? Do you agree, all of you, or no? I want yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
do it.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. How many of you can really go and arrange yourself? You are very, very confident. You don't have anything to scare. You can make your own arrangements perfectly. Maybe from hotel bookings, from cars, and from the places you will be visiting. You don't need anybody's help. Is there anybody? Raise your hand again. Are you? If you ask me to make a trip to Damanjodi or Sambalpur or Bhubaneswar, I can do it for my friends. I've done it for my friends who have traveled to Orissa because I was there since my childhood. Okay. Okay. So you have raised your hands. You are confident enough to make your own travel trips and plans. Open a website. I'll join. I'll take your help. Please do it for me, for my sake. Yes, open a website. I would love to have your advices at your travel trip blogs or whatever it is, your agencies. Okay, so you could also take help from your friends, from your relatives in order to plan your tour. Or you can, if you don't want any help, you don't want your friends to be at a burden, or if you consider, no, let me do it at hush way. I will just post the pictures on Facebook. I'll not know anybody that I'm going and traveling to Switzerland. Let it be some sort of one fine morning they come to know through Facebook. So you could use internet, YouTube's travel blogs to know the details, the nitty-gritties of everything that you would love to do, right? Okay. Next comes, this is a very crucial part. Supposedly you are planning to make a trip to, say, Ladakh, and you pack up sleeveless shirts and very, very cotton sort of things. You are going to land up in utmost disastrous situation. So you need to make a study what kind of clothing would do best, right? Whether these kinds of shoes would really be applicable. You're going to the beach. This shoe won't help you. Unless you're traveling by car or you're traveling by bus or by air, it's okay. But along with the shoe, you need to supplement. You need to carry chappals, okay? You need to carry some sort of shoes or footwear which can be used in water, right? Do you agree? Yes or no? These things you should keep in mind.
Yes,
the kind of clothing, the kind of shoes, the other kind of things which you really need and won't be like cosmetics, everything. Like when I went to Ladakh, I faced a lot of skin problems. I was having a lot of, what to say, it was extremely cold. I needed thick moisturizer. I didn't carry with me. I had only a very small, daily use Borolin. So that was not helping me because it was tremendously cold in Ladakh. And I really was hunting for some sort of very greasy kind of cream, which I could apply so that it was in a, what to say, so phati jai thila pura
Okay.
lips were, they were just, a lot of bleeding was happening due to extreme cold. So you really need to know what all things to carry in order to make it hassle-free again. So how many of you here pack your own suitcases when you're traveling? Raise your hands again. Okay, Mr. Prabhas Khosla, you are fond of traveling and you pack your own suitcase. Even I can't rely somebody else packing my suitcase. I prefer, yes, Chitra Sen has said, yes, she's also fond of packing her own suitcase. Yes, that's much more.
One request over here. You have to pack your own suitcase because in the airport, they're going to ask you who packed your suitcase.
Absolutely. That is very nagging, nagging sort of problem we really don't want to get into. Where did you keep my this thing? Where did you keep my this thing? They'll be asking you all the time, really disturbing. It's some sort of disturbing thing. Okay. Now the type of accommodation, the hotels, we can fit with our own budgets. Yes. If you want, you can go for 5 stars, for 7 stars hotels. If you want, well, my pocket is not heavy this time. Maybe sometimes later, I could fit into 2-star hotel or a 3-star hotel. So this is some kind of your own budget fittings, and they have different facilities. Type 2-star hotels have limited options, very limited in terms of the room choices. And 3-star hotels, it's bit more, where you have more options for the rooms. Yeah, you can really choose your rooms. They have more options, maybe a bit expensive in comparison to 2-star hotels. 4-star hotels are again more expensive with a lot more facilities. There could be a swimming pool, a bar, or something like that. It could have a restaurant. Yes, so it depends on what all facilities the hotels have. Any idea what is B&B hotels? Anybody who knows what is B&B hotels? No? Okay, I'll tell you. B&B is boarding and breakfast. A hotel which provides you boarding, just boarding, and breakfast, no other meals. Just boarding and breakfast, and it's not very costly. Any person of any, budget can fit into it actually, okay? This is a concept not in India, it's a concept in foreign countries, but slowly now we are having this concept also. Yes, slowly we are having hotels which provide you very, very complimentary breakfast at times. You must have heard complimentary breakfast along with the boarding facility. Okay, hostel, yes. When people, they are flocking into groups to make it a hassle-free and make it a very, very enjoyable trip, they can really put up in hostels, youth hostels. We have youth hostels in Kolkata, in Orissa we have, which is very easily available to students, college students, school students, and teachers who are really traveling on an excursion. Okay? Okay. Next is a private lodging. So private lodging is you really pay for it, or you have a friend who is ready to rent the house, maybe for 7 or 8 days, where you can really access the whole lot of, furniture and the amenities at the kitchen, and you can really make use of everything, stay there at a homely atmosphere, and you can cook on your own. Yes, you don't have other people flock in and interfere. They leave the room entirely to access, and you just pay the money maybe, or if they are very, very, good neighbors, they won't ask for money also. Okay, it depends on your luck, how good you're bonded with your friends. So I do have some friends who really allow me to have private lodgings also when I travel in groups. Next is a homestay. Sikkim. I have been to Sikkim where they have numerous homestays. Now, what is the concept of homestay? Homestay is a place where the entire house is put on a rent. Okay, the owner of the house also stays in the same house, but he gives you access to 3 or 4 rooms, maybe maximum 7 to 8 rooms, and he cooks the food for you. Yes, you have no access to cooking. He will cook the food, or there will be a host or a hostess who is ready to cook for you and serve the platter, very deliciously made. The cuisines of Sikkim, the momos. I love the momos. I used to literally wait for the momos, and they have awesome taste. The momos when I stayed in homestays. Yes, that was really absolutely stunning. Okay. Then rents. You can rent a house. Can you see the full screen, or it's becoming difficult? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am, it's pretty good. It's pretty visible. No problem.
Okay. So you can have single basis room, single basis going alone. You want to have a hassle-free holiday alone. Yeah, without your wife or husband or